cubical container that measures 2 inches on a side is tightly packed with 8 marbles and is filled with water. All 8 marbles are in contact with the walls of the container and the adjacent marbles. All of the marbles are of the same size. What is the volume of the water in the container? Okay, so let me reread. Merong cubical container that measures 2 inches daw on a side. So it's a cube lang. 2 inch lahat-lahat ng edges. It is tightly packed with 8 marbles and is filled with water. So yung cube na yon, merong 8 marbles inside at meron ding nagfi-fill ng empty spaces with water. So yung empty spaces, water lahat yon. Okay? And then second sentence, all 8 marbles are in contact with the walls of the container and the adjacent marbles. Okay? So parang yung mga tangent sila with each other, no? Okay, yung edge ng marble in contact with the top, left, front, back, no, bottom, lahat 1 point lang. All of the edges ng naka-contact siya. So parang yung drawing niya is, third view is ito, square to. So divide ko siya sa apat. Okay. Parang ganun siya. Tama? Tapos, the same din doon. So it's a cube. Imagine niyo na lang, 8 marbles inside a cubical container. Okay, tapos, yung cube daw, yung edge niya is 2. So yung edge dito is 2 inches. Okay? So, ang question dito, ano daw yung volume ng water in the container? So, ma-visualize nyo na ba? Na yung volume ng water is equal to volume ng cube minus 8 times the volume of the marbles. Kasi 8 marbles, di ba? Okay, therefore, we can conclude na if ganito yung drawing natin, ano yung radius ng circle natin or ng mga marbles? Kung 2 inch yung isang edge ng container, yung radius or diameter ng marble natin is 1 inch, no? Yeah, 1 inch actually. Okay. Therefore, diameter of marble is equal to 1 inch or radius of marble is equal to 0.5 inch. Can we now solve the volume of the water? Pwede na. Kasi volume of water is equal to, ano yung volume ng cube? 2 raised to 3 minus 8 times the volume of the marble. Ano yung volume ng marble? It's a sphere. So 4/3 pi r cube. Yung r mo is 0.5 cube. Okay? So volume ng water in the container is equal to ilan? Input sa CalCube. 2 raised to 3 minus 8 times the volume of the marble, which is 4/3 times the pi times 0.5 raised to 3. 3.811, no? Or 3.8. 3.811. Okay? Inch cube or letter C. 3.80 inch cube. Okay, dito naman, nag-minus naman tayo. Kanina, dalawang in-add natin. Yung hemisphere ng ice cream, tapos yung ice cream sa loob ng entire cone.
Understanding ang problem.
Yes.
Para dasin interpret ang
Correct.
anong
Yes, correct. So, dapat reading and comprehension para alam mo kung paano. Usually, yung tignan mo na observe mo siya the way we solve the problem. I usually start with the working formula. Yung the end ba, example, volume ng water is equal to volume ng cone minus 8 times the volume of marble. So from there, let's try to himay-himay kung ano yung mga given, ano yung kulang. Kung ano yung kulang, okay, let's try to find it. Like dito, yung kulang pala is the radius. Okay, so hanapin mo natin kung ilan yung radius. Parang ganun. You start with the working equation. Siyempre, you start with the drawing na. Try to interpret muna. You try to find the required. Tapos, you formulate the required. Yung volume ng water inside the container. And hanapin mo yung mga missing. na elements sa formula.